Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today we're going to discuss 5 points regarding homeowner association reserves. First, the Internal Revenue Service considers general maintenance items not appropriate use of reserve funds. For example, painting may not qualify as a reserve item. Second, reserves have to be allocated for a specific purpose. Contingency reserves, general reserves, rainy day reserves could be deemed inappropriate by the Internal Revenue Service. Third, why is the Internal Revenue Service concerned about how an association sets up reserves and spends reserves? An association is a nonprofit corporation, and like any other type of corporation, funds not spent in a fiscal year have to be accounted for properly. Fourth, adequately funded reserves increase the overall property values within the association. And fifth, reserve studies, once completed, should be updated every 5 years.